If you've been looking for where to build up your followers on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or if you've been looking for a platform wherever you can buy followers or you can get followers for absolutely free, where you are watching the right video right now. So make sure to stick to the very end of this video to, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button. So hello guys, this is Mr. Felix. This is Mr. Success. You're coming across my channel for the very first time. I post videos and updates similar to this, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my updates. Okay guys, so I know most of you might have been like really saying you facing this issue of not getting much followers on YouTube or on TikTok, and if you try boosting your TikTok account, you might get it killed, you might get it banned because you are not buying organic followers. Now, what if I tell you there is a platform called this GoJelly that allows you to buy organic, you don't eat, or sorry, I won't use the word, to get organic followers. These are not, I do not mean bots or this thing, I mean real time followers or real time likes, real time views on your TikTok, Instagram, Thread, YouTube, so on and so forth. And the funny part is, sorry, I won't say really say the funny part, the sweet part is it is absolutely free. It is absolutely free to get this stuff done. It is absolutely free. Okay, now I'll be showing you guys how to do it. So the link to this platform called GoJelly is actually down below in the comment section. Please make sure to click the link to join, to sign up on this platform. You sign up on this platform, fill in your details, and you can start doing it. Now, as you can see right here in my dashboard, this is actually the platform. There's an option to actually deposit, though. If you do not want to use the free option, you can also deposit and actually use it to get your this thing, to get your followers and the rest. Now, first things first, I'll be showing you guys how to what's name, build your get followers on your YouTube, Instagram, and this, and then I'll be showing you how to do it for free, and also after that I'll be showing you how to do it, how to deposit money and also pay for it. Okay, let's start with showing you guys how to get it done. Now click on create job right here. Click on create jobs right here. Now you want to create jobs. Now people that use this platform are actually not both. These are real-time users that come to this platform looking for side hustle they want to do. So they learn to perform tasks and they get paid. Now the tasks they perform are tasks that other users on this platform post. So imagine I want to get followers on TikTok. I'll just come to this platform, post my TikTok link, and other users on this same platform will have to follow me, and when they follow me they will get paid. And now, like I said earlier, you can also get this done for free without spending a single money. Okay, so come over to this place and click on. Now you have Instagram, you have Facebook, you have YouTube, you have 1 2 3, okay, sorry, you have TikTok, you have Apple Music, you have Audiomack, Boomplay, LinkedIn, Spotify, Telegram, Thread. So you even have Thread here. So for those of you who are actually into the Thread space, there's Twitter, there's WhatsApp, surveys and feedbacks, so on and so forth. So for this I'll be using TikTok for this. Okay, although I'm not actually going to post an ad, but I just want to show you guys how it is being done. So as you can see, TikTok views is about 5 naira per views. So just for the person to view your status, the person will be getting paid 5 naira. Doesn't really 5 naira. Then TikTok comments. Now a nice and customary comment right here is showing that the person will not be putting any random comment. The person will be saying something nice about the video you made. Okay, then TikTok follower is about 8 naira, TikTok like 8 naira, TikTok share to repost is actually 8 naira. Okay, TikTok video duet is 18 naira. TikTok use sound, so if you want the person to use your sound, is 18 naira. TikTok add to favorite is 10 naira. Okay, like and nice comment is 16 naira together. Then TikTok post business flyer is 15 naira. Now I am going for TikTok followers, as you can see right here. Okay, so the price will vary based on what you are doing. The price will vary. So I'll be going for TikTok followers. The minimum for this price is 8 naira. So type job title. I'll put follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Okay. Now we have to go and copy and paste my what TikTok link. So guys, I have actually copied my YouTube link, my TikTok link. Sorry. So what I have to do is just come here and paste my TikTok link. Okay. Come here and paste my TikTok link. I'm coming. So guys, after copying my pasting my link, I have to do is just click on job proof. Now job proof must be required. Now they don't just they don't just follow you. They will also upload a screenshot showing they follow you. Then you now go and approve them. This can be done within an hour or two. So you always want to step back to approve those people who you are voting. So you click on image. So the quantity, how many do you need? Okay, so let's say 50. So getting 50 followers is total of 100 naira. So if I'm to pay 8 naira each, let's see, I'm getting okay, 60 followers is total of 480. That's 800 naira per one. Which work out within 8 naira. So let's say I'm getting 65. My balance actually is 5. Yes, it can work. Okay. So all I have to do is just click on put a nice description. Okay. Follow me on TikTok. So like my videos and get approve okay. That's a good text. Just all I have to do now is click on sorry. Click this something right here. TikTok search category. Okay. Okay guys, just hold on a bit. I think there must be a glitch somewhere. Let's just go redo the process all over again. Okay. TikTok. TikTok follow. Job title. Follow me on TikTok. Okay. Just go one required one screenshot, image, quantity, I said 65. Okay. Follow me on TikTok and like my friends 3 videos to okay, so click on submit. Okay, submit. I think there's something wrong with my link to my profile. Yeah, coming. Let me just go and copy it. So guys, I've copied my link. We'll copy the link. Okay, let's go and click on submit. Okay. As you can see right here, job created successfully at the top. So okay, as you can see right here, I've actually this is actually a task I did recently after I got my this thing, and I got 62 followers on TikTok, and it was actually approved, spending total of 469 naira. So this is how you guys can actually create get authentic organic followers on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and so on, the rest. Now, how do you get them for free? Now, that's what we're actually going to be talking about next. Getting them from free is very, very easy. Now, normally you get you normally you have to pay to get the, like, you have to deposit money, then use the money to actually what's the name, to actually buy to pay these workers that actually follows you on TikTok and complete your tax and so on and so forth. Not just followers on TikTok, signing up for a platform. You want to get more referrals for a platform, you can actually create a job right here and literally do the same thing, follow the same process I did. Now, how do you get the money to do it? That's where the do a job option comes in on this platform. That's why this do a job comes in. Now, you literally do not have to spend money on this platform. All you have to do is just click on do a job, do a job. So once you get the job done, once you see, there are options right here. There are options right here that are willing to pay you over 313 naira just to do one task, 188 naira just to do perform a task. There are job application right here that will pay you 156 naira just to complete a task, and so on. Imagine you doing 10 of these stuffs will actually get you over 1,000 plus or 2,000 plus on this platform, which you can actually use to build in your followers on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and so many other things. And if you do not want to also use this money, there's also an option available where you can now deposit money. You can your after you make your deposit, after you make your deposit to your bank account. Okay, so let's say you want to make deposit, the minimum deposit actually 500 naira. Okay, so let's say you want to make a deposit of 500 naira. Okay, so once you click on proceed to bank transfer, you'll be provided with bank details for you to make deposit on. You'll be provided with bank details for you to make deposit on. Then when you are done, you upload a screenshot of your bank deposit right here. You upload a screenshot of your bank deposit right here. And once you upload a screenshot of your bank deposit right here, the name of the account you are sending it from, and submit proof. When you are done, your money will be credited to your account within 30 minutes. Yes, money will be credited to your account within 30 minutes. So you might not receive it instantly, but if you after waiting for 30 minutes, you will get your money in your bank account safe and sound. So I have done this, I have tried this, and I've seen that it's actually working organically. You won't get your account keyed because you are free followers actually following you, not platforms that do have bots that will be actually following you, and at the end of the day you get your account banned. So this is actually one of the most safest platform I've seen that you can use to build organic followers, like content, build your social media account, and also get people to perform tasks for you for free, and also and also you can also get paid to do other things too. So please do not forget that I'll be dropping a link down below in the comment section. Make sure to check out the link and sign up to participate in this platform. I wish you the best.